Check out this typhoon. Holy smokes. Woo! It is coming down. Tell you what, can you see that rain there? Yeah, go. In or out, one or the other. Whoa. Dang. What? That is hail, folks. Hush. Move, Jeff. Like, seriously, I have never seen hail in Kyoto before. Check this stuff out. Let's go back out here. Wow, look at that. Dang. See that? See all that ice? That's ice down there. Whoa. Look at that water. Wow. Cool. Well, how's that for a storm? Dang. I've never seen it so powerful here in Kyoto before. Cool. That was kind of close. Meanwhile, that poor lady down there is trying to get that plastic that flew up off that line with some kind of pole. A, I hope the pole isn't metal, and B, I don't think I'd be touching anything with the pole. It's kind of down in the line right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, starting to get wet. Dang. Ah. And actually, I know the storm is from a typhoon. It's coming through right now. But, dang, I just never seen it get that powerful in Kyoto before. Yeehaw, exciting. Alright, well, I guess it's just rain. There's a little bit of lightning and thunder now. Anyway, thanks for watching. My first video in a long time. Peace.